Actions in Photoshop are a really handy automation feature that can be used for almost anything. An action records all of your quote unquote actions within Photoshop or anything that would be recorded by the history panel, and it allows you to automatically replay those actions on a new file. So, say I wanted to quickly use that more complex method of creating line art using channels on multiple files to save time. Here I have my file and I'll quickly run through those steps again, but this time I will open up Window in the menu bar and go to Actions. The Actions menu will appear, and at the bottom I will click Create New Action, or that little plus icon. It will ask me to name this new action, and I'll just write Channels Line Art. I can also choose to put it into a specific folder, but right now I'll just ask it to put this action within that default actions folder. And now I'll click record. So the default actions folder just opened up and my new action is highlighted here. You should also notice a red dot at the bottom, which means it's recording. So now whatever actions I take will be recorded in the sequence I take them. You can pause the recording of your actions at any moment and start re-recording by pressing the stop and record icons. So I'm going to repeat the steps of turning that image into new line art with channels while recording it. So as you watch me do so, watch how the new action I made will start to fill up with steps. So I've finished recording the action and I pressed stop at the end. I can actually now open up another file, which I want to change in the same way, and recreate that entire process with just one click. I even recorded the leveling and the threshold functions for this, so I can actually go from a scanned image like this to that new line art layer instantly. So I'll have the file that I want to run the action on open and press play. If all goes right, it should very quickly change into line art. So you can make really simple actions or really complex ones like this. It's a powerful option to work faster within Photoshop, especially if you're working on a series of images or files that are similar.